I have no idea what's in this package. I'm a blogger. My name's Jamie. Hi. And I just get random PR packages like all day, every day. And I figured it would be fun if we would put them together. I'm not very great at cutting. This is from Fully Healthy, is what that says. Oh God. Kuza tea and coffee. Do I have to drink this? Hang on. Oh, it's not bad. It's like, it's got little like tea things. Is this coffee? I mean, I don't know. Let's find out. Oh, chai tea. These are all just premium, instant tea. Okay, and then we got over here, coffee and tea. These are like premium instant tea, green peach tea. Let's see which one I want to do. Hang on. Oh, I'm gonna do peach black tea. Hang on. I'm gonna drop it in my liquid death. No one will know. No one will be any the wiser. I'm just drinking a peach black tea. I really like liquid death water, but you have to drink a little bit before you ever put anything in it, right? Okay. I kind of like realized, how am I gonna shake this up? Liquid death doesn't have a lid. Actually, I have an idea. I'm gonna use my hand. Get in there. Okay, we're good, right? Just got this rag here. Pause out. Smells good. Oh, you know what? It's pretty good. And it's like actual tea. But why do I need it? It's just tea. It's changing what instant means. Oh, it's a new dehydration process. They don't use extreme temperatures. Oh, that's why you can taste the yumminess.